Hey you guys. So today I wanted to show you my hoop house and just explain a little bit about it and how it came to be. And it's next to the well house and the big garden. So let's go ahead and take a look. The front door here is an average screen door from a house. It's got glass, but the glass comes out. There's a panel here of glass, and it comes out, and there's a screen here, so we can cool it down a little bit when we want. There's a fan back there that'll bring air in through louvers as well that will cool down the inside. The outside has two layers. The outer layer is regular was see-through, kind of opaque white greenhouse cover, and then the second layer is kind of like that bubble wrap, and this was made originally to go on a swimming pool to keep the heat in. So between the two layers it's done pretty well, although it's starting to wear a little bit. You can see on the edges starting to turn green. We need to spray it down and do some replacing, but gosh, I think I've had this thing for 5 years now, and it's held up very, very well. Let's go ahead and come on in. My greenhouse this hoop house is as is, so you're going to see warts and all. Here's to the right of the door when you come in. Here's my collections of pots. I try to keep stuff in order and stacked up. So I've got a long bench here, and then crap down there, a workbench in the middle here, more crap down there, and then another workbench here, and crap here. So I'm getting ready for dirt to be delivered, and I'm going to plant up my seedlings. That's why I've got the middle table open. And in each corner, you can see right there, over there, there, and over here, we have 55-gallon barrels of water. They heat up during the day, and then they dissipate their heat at night. I want to get stack two on each corner to make that last a little longer. The inside is steel pipe in a rib design. My husband taught himself to weld, and he did this himself with a pipe bender and a welding setup. So the welds aren't beautiful, but they have lasted, and I think they're beautiful. Pretty simplistic design, but it works. And then he set up this inside watering system. This has a little spray, so it'll spray down every few feet. Very similar to actually this is an in-ground system that he just utilized for the greenhouse. It runs along here, it goes straight down to right there, and then there's some more tubing that's just on the floor here, and then he's going to set it up so it goes all along this way. We have, and this is what feeds it, is the hose. So we have a hose that's attached to the pump house over there. It comes in. And then we have one of these curly hoses, you can see, so I can spray whatever I want, which is very cool. And then he already has the middle section set up on a spray system as well. So this material, this came out of somebody was deconstructing a refrigerator or a freezer. So these are just the shelves from that. This section here is one shelf. This section here is two shelves, and it's all along underneath there and behind me. It makes an excellent way to work on with dirt. So dirt will just fall to the floor, and I just leave it there. The floor here is gravel. I don't need to sweep it up or anything. I just work with it. And then my hoses are stored for winter in here. And then I have an iron shelving, or metal shelving unit that's in the back that I just use to store my stuff. We went with this kind of a floor because we knew we weren't going to plant in here. And that's one of the things that makes this a hoop house or a high tunnel instead of a greenhouse. There are some other differences which escape me right now. I can't remember what, but oh yeah, heating and cooling. Regular greenhouses have heating and cooling, otherwise they are a hoop house or a high tunnel. Right now, I don't know, it's about 55 degrees outside, but it's got to be over 100 in here. So I need to prop the door open. There's a set of louvers there and a set of louvers there. Sorry for the spin. And a set of louvers there, so I need to get some coolness going on in here. I don't have plants in here right now, but that heat will really start to decompose any plastic that's in here. So let me know if you have any questions about this hoop house. If I can't answer them because they're related to the building of it, I will ask my husband to answer them for you. It is about 10 feet wide by 20 feet long. And I don't know how much it costs to build. I'll ask him and I'll put it down in the comments below. So, but anyway, there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.